In this video, you will see how to create a widget in Databricks. I am showing here different widgets. If you see cell number 2, the first widget, text widget. For that I am giving the name for the widget, that is run underscore date and then value. Run date, it is a label. Second widget, you need to create dbutils.widgets. It's a drop down. The name is env. Dev, it is the default value, and then list dev qa prod. The label is environment. Third one is combo box. You can user can type or select. The label is country, in is the default, in US UK is the list, and label is country. So fourth one is multi-select. You can do multi-select, db2 widgets, multi-select. The name is status. It's a default is active, the list is active, inactive, pending, and the label is status. By running this, you can see widgets are created here. So in the top you can see country, environment, run date, and then status. You can see different list. Default, this is the date, and there is a active, it is already selected. The country is in, it is a default. If you want, you can country, you can do a select. Whatever country you want, you can select it. That's what. Now get widget. How to get it? You need to run these values by using dbutil.widget.get. That function you need to give, you need to pass the widget name, year and date, env, country, status. You will get the widget values. In this SQL, you can also create, this is the syntax to create a widget. Create widget, type is text. Create widget, type is drop down. The run date, env, these are the names, default values. And then if it is a list, you can give choices, select, dev qr prod. So by running this, a widget will be created. And get widget value in SQL, select, and run date. Here the syntax is different. You see two flower brackets and then dollar sign. You need to give as run date, and then env, you need to give dollar sign env as environment. By running this, you will get the values. So remove the widgets. You need to do dbutil.widgets.remove. Either you can do widgets removal, you can specific widget you can remove. And how to pass widgets from the job. You have one notebook. While creating a jobs, you need to create or edit a job, and you are creating a task. Type is notebook, suppose, and select your notebook, and then for this notebook you need to pass some parameters. How to pass? You need to, in the parameters, you need to add these two. One is run date, and this is the value, env is a prod. So when you pass in the notebook your code, something is like this: run date dbutils.widget.get, and name of the widget and name of the widget. By this way, the parameters will get into the notebook and you can execute the job. This way, these are the options commonly used creating widgets and getting widget values in the Databricks notebooks.